Need to speed up your pipe installs without compromising strength? Victaulic groove joints are changing the game in HVAC and fire systems. Each joint uses a grooved pipe, gasket, and clamp-style housing. No welding, threading, or curing time required. Installation is up to 5 times faster, and maintenance, just loosen 2 bolts. That's real field flexibility. Pros: speed, safety, and vibration absorption. Cons: slightly higher upfront cost and not ideal for extreme pressures. Work smart, not hard. Subscribe now for more tools, tips, and tech every engineer should know.